Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, we're checking out Nutrivora Oil of Oregano, a natural supplement that's been popping up online. Is it a wellness must-have or just another trendy scam? Quick disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. According to the official website, Nutrivora's oil of oregano is designed to support your immune system, fight off harmful bacteria, and act as a natural remedy for minor infections. It claims to be 100% natural, sourced from wild oregano, or I don't know, oregano, which is rich in carvacrol, which gives antimicrobial and antifungal power. It's easy to use, just mix a drop or two in water or apply it topically with a carrier oil. It's marketed as a go to for immune support, digestive health, and even skin conditions. While Nutrivora itself doesn't have a ton of reviews yet, oregano oil in general gets a lot of praise online. One Reddit user said it helped with sinus issues, sore throats, and skin infections, but also admitted it might just be easing symptoms, not curing the root cause. Also worth noting, oregano oil is not a prescription medication, and overusing it can irritate your system, so moderation is key. So, is Nutrivora oil of oregano a scam? No, it's based on real ingredients with a long history of natural use, and the company seems transparent about what's inside. That said, don't expect miracles. It may help ease symptoms or support your health, but it's not a cure all, and if symptoms persist, definitely see a doctor. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Nutrivora or any oregano oil, drop your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quick supplement reviews. See you in the next one.